Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Teejay. Teejay announces the track list for his upcoming EP, I Am Chippy. The EP scheduled for February 2 includes features with Tommy Lee Sparta, Baker, Maladon, Davido, Jayden Quada, and Skilly Bang. In an official Instagram post, Teejay shared with his fans, quote, "I would like to take the time out to say thank you for your support, kindness, and patience," end quote. Teejay's exceptional year has been marked with significant milestones, including his signing to the prestigious American label Warner Music and gracing stages in renowned cities such as New York and London and many other locations across the world, adding to his global presence. Quinton Bronson snags Emmy for Outstanding Lead Actress in a Comedy Series, becoming the first Black woman to win the award in over 40 years. She copped the award last evening for her performance in ABC's sitcom Abbott Elementary, which she created and also serves as a writer. During her acceptance speech, a tearful Bronson expressed her love for comedy.
I love making Abbott Elementary so much, and I am so happy to be able to live my dream and act out comedy. And I say it every time, but I just love comedy so much.
The category last went to a Black woman in 1981 when Isabel Sanford won for her performance in The Jeffersons. Now, still on the Emmys, Niecy Nash-Betts secured her first win. The Jeffrey Dahmer story actress walked away with the award for Outstanding Supporting Actress in a Limited or Anthology Series or Movie. In accepting the awards, Nash-Betts thanked herself and explained the importance in doing so.
I'm the only one who knows how many nights I cried because I couldn't be seen for a certain type of role. I'm the one who knows what it's like to go through divorce on camera and still have to pull up and show out, and you still got to go home and you have children and a whole life. And so I'm proud of myself. I'm proud that I did something that people said I could not do.
She received 5 Emmy nominations before securing her first win. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Teejay. Thank you for watching.